Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm going to talk to you about this cool selfie ring light from Taotronics. Now I'm not going to be holding this the whole time because I want to use this, and I want you to see what it looks like when I'm using it. But this is the light itself. It comes with a lot more than just the ring light. This is the star of the show, but it also comes with a tripod to attach it to, as well as two mounts for your phone, to mount your phone inside the ring or attach your phone to the tripod. Comes with this really long USB cord that has a button on it that allows you to change between the different lighting modes, as well as increase or decrease the brightness and turn it on or off. Really excellent product. So I'm going to attach this to my tripod, and so you can see what I look like, how different I look when I have the selfie light versus just using the light in the room and the lights overhead like I'm doing right now. And then we'll keep going. So let's make that switch. So now you can see the difference that the light is making, having that ring light. And now I'm shooting video through the ring light, and it's great because that light, it's not a directional light. It's not coming from one direction and casting a lot of light on this side of my face and leaving this side of my face unlit. It's because it's all the way around. It covers your face with light, and that's the whole point of having a selfie ring light. And that's why they're so popular, because it's a very simple thing, but it works really well to correctly light your face for filming a video like this. And this one by Taotronics is really, really great. It has all the features that you'd want in a light. For one, it has the three different types of light. So you've got the cool white light, the warm white light, and then you've got the mix of the two, which is great. And then you've also got different brightness levels. So you can go anywhere from 10% to 100% at 10% increases or decreases. So you can set the brightness that's going to work best for you in the situation and what you're filming. So really quick, let me jump over to a video so you can kind of see that in action, see the three different lighting styles, and see the way it makes a difference and how it changes based on those three lighting styles. So let's jump over to a video where you can see that difference. So I am recording this with my phone right now, so you may hear echoes and ambient noise because I'm just using the mic that's built in on my phone. But I'm using the selfie ring to do this. Right now it's at 50%, and I think it's on the mix between warm and cool. I'm going to turn it off just so you can see the difference there. You can see with it off now there is some ambient sunlight in my room, and I also have the overhead lights on. So obviously there's light in the room, but you can see my face is pretty shadowed. So I'm going to turn it back on now, and you'll see it immediately lights up my face. Let's go through the different modes. So this is the cool white, more of the bluish white tint. I think this is the mixed mode actually. This is like a mix midway between the cool white and the warm white. And then this is the warm white. And then you also have different degrees of brightness. So right now it's at 50%. I can take it all the way down to the lowest setting where there's hardly any light at all, and you can see very different. And then I can take it all the way up to the brightest setting, and you can definitely see a difference there between the brightest setting and even like take it down to the middle. This is about in the middle, somewhere around there. Let's go to a different mode. So this is this is the cool white. And again, cool white, you can go all the way up to the brightest, and you can tell it has that cool fluorescent white light kind of appearance to it. Let's switch over to the mix. This is the mix, and then as I take it down, you'll be able to see the effect. So you can, what's great about it is you can see different brightnesses, as well as the three different lighting styles, either the warm white, the cool white, or the mix of both. And then be able to take it to the different settings, and because it's a ring light and it's all the way around the video, you're getting direct light all on my face. You don't have it coming from a particular direction, so you don't get the shadows that you may get if you have light coming from a particular direction. So you can see you've got those 3 different lighting styles: the cool white, the warm white, and the mixed light. And then you've got the different brightness levels from 10% to 100% with each one of those. So you can get exactly the right lighting that works best for you. And you can see I was filming that using my just using my phone, my Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra phone, and using the selfie cam on the front, not the rear camera, so not the best camera on the phone, but with that mount that comes with it to allow you to mount your phone inside of the selfie ring. It works great, but it also works great to do like what I'm doing right now, where I'm shooting with my video camera, but shooting through the ring light. Either way, the selfie ring light works excellent for that. It does have that really long USB cord so that you can plug it into power. Now, the selfie ring light itself isn't rechargeable. It doesn't have a built-in battery. But for me, I honestly don't care about that. I'd rather have a really long USB cord. And the reason for that is I can plug it, like right now where I'm filming, I plug it directly into power because there's power close by. So I don't have to worry about it. But then if I were somewhere where I didn't have direct access to power, I would use one of the many USB charging bricks that I have, and I have a lot of them. So I could just use one, and if I ran out of power, I switched out for another one. So I don't have to worry about, oh, what if the selfie ring light itself runs out of power? Now I've got to plug it in and wait for it to charge to use it again. With this one, you don't have to worry about that because you just plug it into a USB charging brick and use that until that runs out, which would last a really long time because this doesn't pull a lot of power. But anyway, easy to change out. So I think that that's actually great. Has a really long cord to allow you to easily and quickly turn it on or off, and then adjust the type of light you're getting and the brightness levels. Also comes with that stand, that tripod. It's not like the highest end tripod you could ever buy, and it's not meant to be. It's just a very simple, basic tripod that has really varying degrees of height. You can get it from really, really low, it's about 12 inches, up to really, really high. I would say probably at its highest, it's probably about 5 feet or so. So really very usable, very user-friendly, very easy to use, and just the fact that that's included. Of course, you can attach this selfie ring light to any tripod you own, so if you own another tripod, you can attach it to that as well. But I think it's awesome that they include everything you need in this box. You get the selfie ring light, you get the tripod, you get the 2 ways to mount a phone, one to mount it inside the selfie ring, and one to mount it on the front of the tripod. If you're going to be using it like as a monitor or as a second camera, you can do that as well. So they really thought of everything and created this very affordable but really great light to really help take your videos, vlogging videos or pictures to the next level. Again, this is by Taotronics, and Taotronics is a proven company. They make great stuff. I think I've reviewed other stuff from them in the past, and I've always liked them. So this is just another great product by them, and definitely one that I would recommend. Now, you can buy this on Amazon, and I will have a link in the description below to the product on Amazon. I'll also have a link to the product on the Taotronics website because you can buy through them directly as well. So both those links are down there. You can click those links, you can check out the products, read what other people have said about them, and pick one up for yourself. Anyway, that's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in this product, share this video with them. All those videos are down there. Don't forget to favorite this playlist to keep up with future product reviews, or go ahead and subscribe to my channel and keep up with all my videos. Anyway, that's going to be it until next time. So have a great day.